In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best wireless doorbell, selected for their performance, smart features, and dependable connectivity without complex wiring. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started.
Number 1. Ring Battery Wireless Doorbell. The Ring Battery Wireless Doorbell is a feature-rich solution for anyone looking to enhance home security with modern convenience. Its standout feature is the head-to-toe HD Plus video, which offers an expanded field of view, allowing you to see more of who's at your door. This is complemented by advanced motion detection and color night vision, ensuring you can monitor visitors and activity even in low light conditions. The doorbell also provides person and package alerts, which are particularly useful for busy households or frequent online shoppers, though they require a Ring Home subscription. Installation is straightforward. The quick-release battery pack makes charging effortless, and the Ring app guides users through setup, connecting the doorbell to Wi-Fi in minutes. The system integrates seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to stream live video to Echo Show, receive instant alerts, and even communicate with visitors hands-free. Additionally, recorded videos can be stored for up to 180 days, giving you peace of mind and a reliable way to review past events. Number 2. Eufy E340 Wireless Doorbell. The Eufy E340 Wireless Doorbell offers an exceptional balance of design, performance, and flexibility. It features a dual camera system with a front-facing camera focused on detecting people and a downward-facing camera covering the area directly in front of your door, ensuring no blind spots. The doorbell provides color night vision with a dual light system and advanced processing algorithm, giving a clear nighttime view of up to 16 feet, which significantly reduces blur compared to previous models. With 2K Full HD clarity, every detail of your doorstep and visitors is captured in sharp, vivid quality. One of the most convenient features is the choice between battery-powered and wired operation, providing flexibility depending on your installation preferences. Battery mode allows easy setup and quick battery swaps, while wired mode supports long-term performance, with the battery continuously charged by the power source. Eufy also ensures compatibility with mechanical chimes and smart assistants like Alexa and Google Voice Assistant, providing audible alerts throughout your home. Importantly, data is stored locally, eliminating monthly subscription fees and enhancing privacy.
Number 3. Google Nest Ash Wireless Doorbell. The Google Nest Ash Wireless Doorbell is a technologically advanced device that integrates intelligent detection with user-friendly convenience. Unlike many doorbells, it distinguishes between people, packages, animals, and vehicles, sending tailored alerts via the Google Home app without a subscription. It offers live HD video with HDR and night vision, providing clear visuals anytime, day or night, and includes 3 hours of free event video history with optional Nest-Aware subscription for up to 60 days. The doorbell ensures security even during power outages or Wi-Fi disruptions by storing up to 1 hour of recorded events locally. Installation is flexible. The built-in battery allows for completely wire-free placement, or you can connect it to existing doorbell wires using the included connector. The doorbell also supports two-way communication, enabling homeowners to interact with visitors remotely. Google Nest's integration with smart displays and speakers allows for hands-free streaming and convenient alerts. While continuous 24/7 recording requires subscription and wired setup, the system still offers a robust suite of intelligent features. Number 4. Botslab 2.4 GHz Wireless Doorbell. The Botslab 2.4 GHz wireless doorbell stands out for its impressive field of view, long battery life, and intelligent detection capabilities. It features an upgraded panoramic lens offering a 180-degree wide-angle view, ensuring full coverage from head to toe with 0 blind spots. The system incorporates triple detection technology using radar and PIR sensors, combined with smart image recognition, reducing false alarms by up to 95%. This is particularly helpful for avoiding unnecessary alerts from pets or passing vehicles. Data privacy is a strong point, with 32 GB of local storage included and optional cloud storage for extended functionality. The rechargeable 6400 mAh battery provides up to 180 days of use on a single charge, thanks to advanced low-power technology. Additionally, the doorbell offers an innovative VR mode with 4 viewing perspectives, giving users flexibility in monitoring their doorstep. Installation is simple and straightforward, making it suitable for households that prioritize security and convenience. With no mandatory subscription fees, Botslab ensures cost-effective long-term operation while still providing sophisticated features such as intelligent motion detection and panoramic imaging.
Number 5. Wisdom 1080p Wireless Doorbell. The Wisdom 1080p Wireless Doorbell combines simplicity, functionality, and advanced features in a compact, user-friendly system. Its 7-inch touchscreen monitor delivers 1080p crystal-clear video, allowing users to monitor their property with the same ease as using a smartphone. Installation is true wireless, requiring no drilling or complex wiring, and to be completed in just 5 minutes, making it particularly accessible for elderly users or those less experienced with technology. The system supports both 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi, as well as 915 MHz signal transmission, extending its effective range up to 60 meters in open spaces. Video footage is stored securely on an included TF card, eliminating monthly subscription fees and ensuring data privacy. The 100 reduces blind spots, while intelligent motion detection alerts users to movement within 5 meters. Additionally, the system supports two-way audio and night vision, providing clear communication and monitoring day or night. The Wisdom Doorbell combines advanced features with convenience, offering remote control via the Tuya Smart app.
And that wraps up the top 5 best wireless doorbell. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.